Trying to sell supplements online but worried about Stripe or PayPal freezing your account? Many nutraceutical brands get blocked simply for being classified as high risk. This quick check shows why standard processors often block supplement businesses. Your products fall into a high risk category that Stripe and PayPal simply don't support. Accepting credit cards for nutraceuticals doesn't have to mean risking account freezes or shutdowns. EasyPay Direct provides a full service merchant account built specifically for high risk supplement companies. Their team underwrites your account directly, so your approvals are stable, compliant, and tailored to your business model. Using a dedicated high risk merchant account ensures you can process payments reliably, protect your funds, and keep your business running smoothly, even when standard processors won't support your products. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can set up a high risk merchant account without relying on Stripe or PayPal. Processing credit cards for supplements doesn't need to be stressful. With EasyPay Direct, your business stays protected and payments keep flowing. Check the link in the description to get started today.